Okay, I got some. Got a big handful. You see that? It's gonna... These are the ones. These are the ones. I wonder what color it'll do. Hopefully it'll be like an orangey red. That'd be cool. Can't get it. Super sticky. That's probably good. Sure. A big handful. It's like, it's a lot of thimbleberries. Maybe I'll do like a bit at a time. Here we go. Ooh, I can feel the juice already. Oh, it smells so good. This is so gross. Kinda. It'll definitely be lighter than blackberries. But it's definitely red. I'm trying to go for the roots this time. Really get it in there. You have to kind of mush the thimbleberries more than the blackberries. Okay. Squish, squish, squish. Just fine. Oh god, I still got on my nose. I'd like to have a hair clip. I wonder what I could put in there. It's been in my hair for a little while now. Let's see. Oh, cool water. Cool water. A lot of seeds. It did give some color. We'll see what it looks like when it's dry. Almost nothing. I mean, there's a couple spots.